Let's have a reading practice with small words. An sound words. An man. An fan. An can. An van. An pan. An ran. At sound words. At cat. At mat. At hat. At bat. At rat. At sat. Odd sound words. Pot. Cot. Hot. Dot. Not. Double O makes oo sound. Oo sound words. Foot. Food. Mood. Mood. Moon. Soon. Root. Book. Double E makes E sound. Meat. Week. Need. Seed. Fill. Keep. Dip. Fit. Eight sound words. Net. Wait. Set. Get. Pet. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos.